Hello everyone, myself Vinay Kumar. I am pursuing PhD in physics. So in this particular YouTube channel, I'll be teaching physics, chemistry and mathematics starting from 8th standard till 12th standard. If you want to learn physics, chemistry and mathematics, then please do subscribe to my channel. So in my previous video, I had started the new chapter in 9th standard mathematics. That was the 11th chapter. So that 11th chapter was based on surface areas and volumes. So I have explained the concepts about surface area and volume, and also I have explained what do you mean by curved surface area and total surface area of a right circular cone. And I have also discussed about the formula and example questions which were there before exercise 11.1. So in this video, we will be looking into the exercise 11.1 questions. So now we will be looking into exercise 11.1. So in exercise 11.1, coming into the first question, here they have given diameter of a base of a particular cone. So they have already mentioned that if we are using cone, that refers to a right circular cone in this entire chapter. So here if they are mentioning cone, that means it is a right circular cone. Remember that. If you want an answer for right circular cone, you can refer my previous video. So now here the base of this cone is given as, they have given diameter of the base of the cone, that is equal to 10.5 centimeter, and they have given slant height, that is L. So slant height is L, the actual height of cone is H. So slant height L is equal to 10 centimeter. So now you have to find out CSA. So in order to find out CSA, you want radius. So in order to find out radius, you can divide diameter with 2. So you'll get radius of this base of this cone. So 10.5 divided by 2 will be 5.25 centimeter. So now, therefore, curved surface area of this cone will be equal to pi r L. So pi is 22 by 7 into radius r is 5.25 into length is 10 centimeter. So now you can calculate this. So 22 into 5.25 into 10 divided by 7. So that is 165. So curved surface area of this cone is 165 centimeter square. So now we will move into the second question in this exercise 11.1. So in second question, you have to find out total surface area of a cone. So its slant height they have given, that is equal to 21 meter, and diameter is given. So diameter is 24 meter. So here also you have to find out radius. So radius is equal to d by 2. So d is 24 by 2. So that is 12 meter. So what is the formula for total surface area? So total surface area is pi r into L plus r. So here the value for pi is 22 by 7 into r is 12 into length is 21 plus r is 12. So what is 21 plus 12? So 22 by 7 into 12. 21 plus 12 is 33. So into 33. So now you can calculate this. So 22 into 12 into 33 will give you 8712 divided by 7 will give you 1244.57. So 1244.57 meter square as the total surface area of this right circular cone. So now we will move into the next question in this exercise, that is the third question. So in third question, curved surface area of a cone they have given. So already they have given CSA, that is 308 centimeter square, and they have given slant height, that is L they have given, that is 14 centimeter. So here you have to find out two things. One is radius you have to find out, and you have to find out the total surface area of this cone. So in order to find out radius, they have already given curved surface area. So curved surface area is nothing but pi r L. So if you keep r here only, and if you bring pi and L to LHS, then CSA divided by pi into L. So that is r is equal to CSA divided by pi into L. So what is CSA? CSA they have given as 308 centimeter square. Pi is 22 by 7. So this 7 will go to numerator. Into length is 14 centimeter. So R is equal to 308 into 7 divided by 22 into 14. So here 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 2 ones are 2, 2 15s are 30, 2 fours are 8. So now we'll write this in new slide. So R is equal to 154 divided by 22. So here 11 twos are 22, 11 ones are 11, 4 will be remaining. So 44, 11 fours are 44. So 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. So R is 7 centimeter. So now we have got R value, that is 7 centimeter. So second question, they have asked to prove total surface area. So total surface area is pi r into L plus R, or you can write this as CSA plus pi r square. So here CSA they have already given as 308 plus pi r square is there. So 22 by 7 into radius is 7 into 7. So here 7 7 gets cancelled with each other. So 308 plus 22 into 7 is there. So 7 twos are 14. 1 carry, 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So 154. So 308 plus 154 will be 454 plus 8. So 454 plus 8 will be 462 centimeter square. So this is the total surface area of this right circular cone. So now we will move into the fourth question in this exercise. So in fourth question, there is the conical tent. So conical tent means it is in the shape of right circular cone. So the tent height is 10 meter. So here they have not given slant height, they have given height of the tent, that is 10 meter, and radius they have given, radius is 24 meter. So now we have to find out slant height, that is L. So in order to find out L, you have to take square root of r square plus h square. So r is 24 square plus h is 10 square. So 24 into 24 will be 576 plus 10 into 10 will be 100. So 576 plus 100 will be 676. So the square root of 676 will be equal to 26. So now we have got length of this slant height of this tent as 26 meter. So here in the second question, in the fourth question, they have asked to calculate cost of the canvas required to make the tent. So 1 meter square canvas cost 70 rupees. Now we have to calculate the total cost. So 1 meter square cost 70 rupees. So now you have to find out the curved surface area of this tent, which includes the total area of canvas required. So because you are only covering the canvas on the curved surface area of the cone, not on the base of the cone. So that's why you have to calculate curved surface area of the cone. So in order to find out curved surface area, we will use the formula. So curved surface area will cost how much, this you have to find out. So before calculating x, we need to calculate curved surface area. So curved surface area is pi r L. So pi is 22 by 7. So radius they have given as 24 meter, and L we have calculated as 26 meter. So now when you calculate this, you will get 1961.14 meter square. So that means here 1 meter square cost 70 rupees. So 1 meter square cost 70 rupees. So 1961.14 meter square cost how much? So you can cross multiply this. X will be equal to 70 rupees into 1961.14 meter square divided by 1 meter square. So here meter square gets cancelled with each other. So the cost will be equal to 1,37,279.8 rupees. So this you can approximately write as 1,37,280 rupees. So this is the amount which they have to spend to buy a canvas in order to build that tent. So now we will look into the fifth question in this exercise. So in fifth question, there is a 3 meter wide tarpaulin. So there is 3 meter wide tarpaulin, and you have to calculate the total length of tarpaulin required the total length of tarpaulin required in order to build a tent. So the height of this tent should be, so the height of this tent should be 8 meter. So radius of the base of this tent should be equal to 6 meter. So now you have to find out the curved surface area of this tent, because if you calculate the curved surface area, you'll have an idea how much meter square of tarpaulin is required. So after that you can calculate length, because already they have given the 3 meter width. So now in order to calculate that, first we will try to find out L, because in order to find out curved surface area we want L. So L is equal to square root of R square plus H square. So R is 8 square, R is 6 square and H is 8 square. So 6 square plus H square is 8 square. So 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64. So 36 plus 64 is 100. So square root of 100 is 10 meter. So now slant height of the tent we have calculated as 10 meter. Now what is the curved surface area of this tent? So curved surface area of this tent will be pi r L. So pi is 3.14. They have specifically mentioned in the question that take pi value as 3.14 into radius is 6 meter, slant length is that is slant height of the tent is 10 meter. So 3.14 into 60 will be 188.4 meter square. So now we have got curved surface area. So here we have to just calculate the length of the tarpaulin required. So here area of tarpaulin required. So area of tarpaulin required is equal to, so the area of tarpaulin required is equal to the length into width W. So width already they have given, that is equal to 3 meter. So area we have calculated as 188.4 meter square. So therefore length of tarpaulin required, why I am not writing small l is because we have already taken L as slant height of this cone. So that's why I am writing length of tarpaulin. So you can write here length of tarpaulin required. So length of tarpaulin will be equal to 188.4 divided by 3. So therefore length of tarpaulin, so length of tarpaulin will be equal to 188.4 divided by 3. So that is nothing but 62.8. So here in order to account the wastage of tarpaulin, you have to add 20 centimeter to this length. So the total length, of tarpaulin, you have to add the wastage also, that is 20 centimeter. So 62.8 meter. So this is in meter plus 20 centimeter. I can write this as 0.2 meter. So 62.8 meter plus 0.2 meter will be 63 meter. So approximately we want 63 meter of tarpaulin to construct this tent. So this is all there in this particular video. The remaining 3 questions which are there in this exercise I'll be solving in my next video, and other concepts which are there in this chapter, that also I'll be teaching in my subsequent videos. Until then, if you want to learn more physics, chemistry and mathematics starting from 8th standard till 12th standard, then you have to subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned with my channel. Thank you.